In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Varo app login problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You can try switching to a stronger Wi-Fi or use mobile data and try logging in again. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and verify your email and password, which means double checking for typos, and passwords are also case sensitive. If that doesn't work, simply click on forgot password and then reset your password, as they will send you a reset link to your email. Simply go ahead and open your email and reset your password. Your application might also not be up to date. Simply go ahead and head into App Store or Play Store and then simply go ahead and update the application. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and clear your cache, force close and open the app, or even restart your phone. The servers might be down sometimes. Just go to status.varomoney.com and check if the servers are down or not. If none of it works, then simply wait and try again later. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have